So hey students, welcome to NCERT Solutions by Vedantu, where we find solution to all the problems which is given in your NCERT. This is Baswaraj, I'm your biology master teacher. I'll be solving questions in terms of biology. So let's look at the question which we have here right now. What are macromolecules? Simple question, straightforward. They're asking you what are macromolecules and give examples. So we have to give them certain examples and we need to understand what is the meaning of macromolecule. Now first and foremost, all of you need to know biomolecules are of two types, right? Biomolecules are of two types. It could be micromolecule or macromolecule. While your macromolecule, right here, macromolecules, the meaning of macro is large. Their meaning of macro is what? Large. So all these macromolecules are large in size, right? They are large in size. So all the macromolecules are, first of all of them are a type of biomolecule. Now you need to understand right now here is a macromolecule is said to be a macromolecule because it is a complex molecule. What is it? It is a type of complex molecule. So all the macromolecules are a type of your complex compounds. All the macromolecules are complex compounds. Now why do they become complex compounds? What is the reason, right? What could be the reason why do we mention them as a complex compound? The first and foremost is their large size. So all the macromolecules are large in size, large size molecules. The second one is their molecular weight. So since they are large and they also have what? High molecular weight. They have what? They have high molecular weight. They have high molecular weight. Now what makes them large? Like, why are they complex? What makes them so large? The answer is very simple, because these macromolecules are polymerization. When I say polymerization, I mean they are a group of your small molecular weight. So all the small molecular weight molecules will come together and join, which makes a macromolecule. So if I can write here, why are the large size? Because they are because of polymerization, right? Polymerization of low molecular weight compounds. So low molecular weight compounds join together and they form the macromolecules. For example, amino acids join together, which makes up the proteins. So that is the first example. The first example of your macromolecule is protein, right? All the different types of proteins. The next one is carbohydrates, right? The second one is carbohydrates, which is basically polymerization of your monomers, right? Polymerization of monomer forms the complex carbohydrates, such as your polysaccharides, right? Carbohydrates. So these are the two examples of macromolecules. That is the meaning of macromolecules. Macro means large. They are complex compounds because they are made up of aggregation, polymerization of your low molecular weight compounds. That's the question for it, and I'll see you in the next class.